So here's another fan video. Yes, or I made a couple videos on this. But this camera is pretty great. And I definitely like the quality. But anyway, here's a 1998 to 1999 Lasko model 3733. And this is before they made the blades into Appel blades. This box fan is a huge childhood, because my grandma, she used to have a lot of these fans. And I don't know if you saw the video of that banged up Lasko 3733, and it was pretty much in bad shape. It was missing a couple of screws on here, and it was missing the handle, and the cord had a shortage, because like when you move it around, it completely shuts off. But I had this box fan since last year. There was nothing wrong with it except it was pretty much dirty, and it was dirt all over the motor. And then I took the blades off and I cleaned up the motor. And then it has paint stains all over the box fan, and a little rust, which I'm not sure, you can't see it. You can see from right here. Yeah, here's some rust from right there, and right down the bottom, and some right there. And there's a little bit which you can't see from the camera. So here's some more paint stains right there, and paint stains right here. And I do like the design of this one. It looks pretty cool. And I'm gonna show you the back of it. And it has a marker motor, and it has a pretty cool startup sound. And I will show you the start sound later. I mean, the fan's not really in bad shape. So anyway, let's turn on low. Looks good there. Pretty decent for a legacy Lasko, before it really cheapened out in the mid 2000s. And actually, the 1999 version is actually my favorite one, because due to the blade style and some other stuff. And the start sound pretty cool though. And actually my aunt, she did have a 1999 and 2000 version. Then for some reason I think it died or something. Here's medium. Gotta be careful with the sound. There's some good air. Yep. Pretty nice. And here is high. Lit. And O double F spells off. Alright, watch a little spin down on this thing. Has pretty cool spin down. It takes a while, but not too long though. Alright, so I'm gonna give you the start sound like I promised. The start sound is faint due to the motor. It got a little warmer, but maybe if I haven't ran it, because this is the second, how I say it, take two, I would say, because I keep messing up. Actually, it's take 5. I don't know how many times, but let me stop running and give you start sound. Right. Medium. Alright. And finally, high. Very nice one, you say. Okay then, so there we have 1998 to 1999 Lasko 3733. Hope you enjoyed this video and have a good one. Peace.